Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to import CSV ClickUp. So first thing is just simply go to your ClickUp, and after that guys, just simply click on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen, and then go for the settings on the drop bar. Now from here guys, you will have multiple options over here on the left side, and just simply go for the imports/exports. So click on that. And from here, as you can see, you could start to export or you could start to import over here. So from here, just simply click on start import. And after that, you should be able to have here multiple options that you can import your CSV from ClickUp. And now the most basic one is the Google Sheets or Excel over here. You can just simply click on any spreadsheets. And after that, you can just simply click on continue and just simply select a location where you are going to import it, and you can just simply select continue. And now from here guys, you can just simply go ahead and upload your CSV over here. As you can see, you will have upload file and it will open up a folder, and just simply select your file, or you can manually enter the data over here, and they will have multiple sheets over here. And now once you are done, we just simply click on import into ClickUp at the top right corner of the screen, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.